Shalkisa Saka 26/06/2024 Shalmario Takuk Khatajoy Riangno Tripura People Foundation e Team Rock ST Jones Shakhamnogo Admit Klaimani Fiaba Bini Braino Thikashawi Thamabai Bini Kasha Surgery Book Lajaka Fiaba Takuk Khajajoy Riang Sakango J Company o Shamuklai Dogmani a company ni Borokbai Tripura People Foundation e Team Rock Kokshawi ESI approved Klai Bini Shakhamnogo J Nangmani Rang ESI te Tanjak Dogmani Fiaba Thanai Kokti Shalo Takuk Khajajoy Riangni Langma Jokha Fiaba Takuk Khajajoy Riangni Nuku Belaino Bigra Yak Chukya Tabuk Takuk Khajajoy Riangni Mangkuthino Bini Ma Farshong Rangpusha Gurini Bagai Bini Shajarani Mangkuthino Bangalore Hasini Tubui Manya Angitokha Fiaba Tripura People Foundation Team Nibo Asuk Fund Kure Takuk Khajajoy Riangni Mangkuthino Bini Ma Fani Iago Eba Bini Nukuni Borokrokni Iago Rohonani Fiaba Tripura People Foundation ni Director Dinesh De Burma Facebook Live Fai Hastini Maya Ganang Kha Ganang Lukurokno Koikha Je Mansha Jotono Kisha Mishake Jobawi Taku Khajajoy Riangni Mangkuthino Bini Mafa Te Bini Nukuni Borokrokni Iago Rohori Manatei Te Paithakni Nairikmu Nairik Mana Angthung Hini Koikha
Kolomka takho bukok song phajanang phika live pura update kisa misa details lagane bagai chung je sak hamya nai tongmani takho Khajajoy Riang 26 June no bono chung St John's Hospital admit khlaire mani chini Team Rock Bangalore Tripura sare Team Rock Balandur area o je samung khlaine rock senkrak borok thangai bono admission khlairi kha thik paw hnai te kusugo thik paw hnai bono tuberculosis ni Rugi Manjago Hone suspect ni bagai bono hospital admit Clarika. Awon Yagulo bo ICO like ICO Tony Mari Mani Yagulo Chiniago funds Kure and Jesuk funds Tongmani no chung utilize Klaga Bona admission Klaitaniwo Bini admission Clairway admission Clamani Yagulo Bini ESI card approval money just kapuna chung bini company jagi bo samu claimani yakar zakona bini company ni borok by chung samu request claim bini ESI approve claim manka so bini treatment choli tongmani ESI ni tui per day around 40,000 ni cost amo covering tongmani taung jorote bini total fees ngi thanga 9+ lakhs but unfortunately bini braino thui kase thangmani bagai surgery perform mak like a doctor stroke perform claimani yagulo bo komao thang paikha komao thangmani yagulo thanai saptao doctor ok kisa declare rekha je bo brain dead ngi thangka nei brain dead ngi thangmani yagulo tabuk mia 14 July yo boni finally langma chokha nei doctors rock declare ririka completely dead so khakhamo ama hairok tongo yes medical issues ngi to bin langma chokha bono to chung je mansak chung sai to khan nai tong like ha chini digi tini sini bukhak tu kaisa bini borne cinema ni borok no bono maina ni bakai kaisa no chung chongi toni rikha chini takuk Jitendra Riang no hambai mari wang bono bini duty issue to jotno yakari bini sakhamya no hospital no maina ni bakai logeri tongi tong ha bini duty ro yakari lifelessly tirelessly bo joto khlaiman sak takuk Jitendra Riang khlaika blaina hambai but still unfortunately chung bono basiri reiman liya basiri narge man liya bini langma finally chawi thanga Mia July 14 do tabogoro saddest point gange tamo bini family members rock amon asake poor asake bigra je boro Bangalore bini borni family member tabo three thangnai Khajajoy Riang no nai bhele bagi phano borni yago asagrang kring mani bagai borok phaimaya angui borok authorization letter maraka operation plan approve surgery plan approve authorization maraka and tabuk three thangmani yagulo bini dead body rohnan bagai borni yago khok sapana funds kri tabuk sing Tripura People Foundation te jisik mano chung try khlayo but boni dead body rohn manan jorate sinai bo khomta kri ngi thango Tripura People Foundation is te sing je collection khlaile manana around 10 to 15,000 omni se bisik tu chungbo funds collect khlai khorok ne ya boro yakari ni possible anglak tak bini dead body hona nei ga chung at least 50,000 rupees nangnai including every other costs yang joto kisu formalities pai yang ni fees ro pai 50,000 rupees le chung nangnai bini dead body hona ne bagi kha khamani gok ngai bini family members ok tabuk surrender ri ma hang tong kha ge borni thani rang kari bai borok borni bufayong tak bini bibi khorsa tong te bini bufa to paralyze sangjak kaisa borok bufayong kaisa borok ni busla no bosung rohari man lakha jodi borok kunu phano rang arrange claim man liya to kho jaga o yes public rok jodi khairo gei jisuk funds ri man sak funds ro jodi sini o level jesung body dead body kaisa rohamani cost sung jodi cover thanga anke sung bini dead body just ka phano rohari nei kisam misa kom jaga o angani personally ri nei angoshu te 5-10,000 kom ganga ngabang ri nei goshu jispon thong ban ang muchung ya jesini takuk Tripura sa khoroksa Bangalore hatayang thung jesa hatay phonong thung bod langma choi bini mang the orno sok janai ba orno cremation khlai janai haike khlaina ne muchung ya but unfortunately jodi yak sok yang ka jang abo finally decision am haike para manna nai hani bagang koina muchung ta kho buk song te wese lukurok no ang sana muchung ya ba koina muchung ya haipana ma koi phika ma safika ki chung ma khlai lainai abono ba jorok jisuk manthang narok chu balai di o video ni logiwa ang chini Tripura People Foundation scanner ri wono and jebini bumung tu je donation family ang jotono screenshot ri nai ki asuk jorati bini donation bini bagi donation shop pa ga hanai bini medical treatment abo sung jisung man kha sung ri kha ani personal thing ang mang kha jisung ri kha to bini treatment chung chalo ge tong kha at least 20 days to bono hospital chung to nai tong kha nai tong kha but unfortunately bad luck je bini life na chung mathang ina rage man liya amono tahobo kusung ang sentiments bete sana musungo ki norok wan sugi nai ri jodi kebo mano musungo jisung man sang norok donate khlai nai chai tok di chini Tripura People Foundation scanner or video ni comment of nai ri or description of nai man kha nai ri but please German sak please biskang phaibiri ha ge boni dead body no sung or cremation claim mare nai and kuno cara kari kuno upai kari kuno lama kari ngecheng dead body no jaga no pairi mare nai bini family members ni thui je authorization letter nang mari chung authorization letter na hari bini formality sungar na pairi re sinai tha so asuna ha bisik log thanglia da ok song bulai ham bai khaklayo je bukha ganang rok je donation ri man donation rupai nei bini mang gathanya sung rohana nei jeske phano chai tok nai tini tu chung man liya tini salsa bini dead body mortuary ona klai tong kha batoni tonja kha khana jora tile chung je sak man mani khana ni le chung final decision ma khlai sinai in case funds donation funds jodi in case cover gi thanga glai chung be dead body no without fail rohori nai but jodi cover angi anga glai chung be dead body ni cremation Bangalore no ma khlai sinai khaklai no buji ba khana nai taw sung please share khlai di video no jesak man sak it's very important very necessary and very urgent Simon Tripura kabang ma cases choli tongo ganda tishani cases of choli tongo but o cases bo kisa important no hai thanga haine bagang request khanyan bage te usha ma phai pika asana tawo song dron khulum ka Dinesh Dutt Burma Bangalore Tripura People Foundation director norone buskang te usha koimong koi nyani bage buskang ma phai pika khulum ka hambai